Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a new workspace in Trello. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, go right here to your account image, click on it, and then you should see create a workspace button, so click on it as well. Now you have to give your workspace a name, so just name your workspace. And then simply click on workspace type and choose which fits your workspace the best. And then add a description of your workspace, but this one is optional. Then press continue. Now as you can see, you have to invite your team. So just you can do this later, invite people with a link that you can send them, or just type in their email addresses like so. And now here are your suggested sales templates. So choose a template and then press on OK, got it. Now as you can see, your new workspace is successfully created. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.